Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for yoga teachers or instructors. In this YouTube video, I'll write an example letter for a position at a yoga institution. And once you are done writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Alright, now before I start writing the example letter, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips. First off, use a standard font and font size for easy reading. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size is most suitable. In addition, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide your cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, include the hiring manager's name. For example, Dear Miss Parker or Dear Mr. Parker. Thirdly, emphasize must-have skills for yoga instructors. For example, your ability to communicate with compassion, your ability to understand the feelings of another, or your deep desire to help people heal and grow. Fourthly, focus on what you are going to bring to their health center. So, do not only focus on your qualifications, but relate these to their objectives. At last, write a unique cover letter for each job application. Although this might take some time, it will certainly increase your chances of getting the job. Alright, that's it for the most important writing tips for yoga teachers. Next up, I want to start writing the example letter. First off, we start off by listing our contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the recruiter's name and job title, followed by the health center's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Miss Parker. Now for American usage, we include a dot after the abbreviation, but for British English, you can leave it out. Try to avoid generic openings like Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager, or to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you first need to express your interest for the job opportunity. Inform the reader in greater detail where you found the vacancy. Let the reader know that you are qualified to fulfill the position as a yoga instructor and your willingness to support and contribute to their mission. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself followed by a motivation for the job opportunity. For example, refer to a blog post you read about the health center and elaborate on why their health center or specifically their yoga practices appeal to you. Key here is to show that you did your research and that you are specifically interested in what they offer. Try to personalize your application letter as much as possible. Now by doing so, you increase your chances of getting hired. In the third paragraph, you have to match your profile to the competencies listed in the vacancy. Inform the reader about your qualifications related to the requirements. Now, do not simply list your skills like you do in your resume, but provide some context. For example, you can create your own narrative using personal stories, statements, facts, and evidence that prove your experience, affinity, and dedication. In the last paragraph, you need to capture the essence of your cover letter. Let the reader know what you want to further discuss and/or demonstrate. By doing so, you give the reader an incentive to invite you to an interview. After that, you refer to your attached resume and include your phone number and email address so they can easily reach out to you. Include testimonials and first aid certification if you have them. At last, you thank the reader for taking their time to review your cover letter and you close in a compelling way. So, kind or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Okay, so we touched upon the do's and don'ts for writing a cover letter and actually made an example letter of around 350 words and 4 paragraphs. If you need more inspiration, then check out all of my cover letter examples in text format via the link in the description. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more related content. Other than that, thanks again for watching and until next time. Bye!